Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know your TV model and firmware because options differ between brands. Once done, grab the remote and ensure the TV is online since some region changes download updates. Navigate directly to Settings, then System or General, and find Region, Location, or Country. You should see Current Selection and Limited Choices. Make sure you understand that changing region can affect apps and channels. Proceed only if you accept potential app catalog and broadcast differences. Now you perform the actual change. Select region or location and pick the country you want. Some TVs list regions rather than full countries. If the option is grayed out, check for an advanced, location services, or developer menu to enable region editing. Make sure to read on-screen warnings. Certain services may stop working. If the TV doesn't accept the new setting, you may need a factory reset or to sign into a local account for the App Store to reflect the new region. Finish by rebooting the TV to apply changes and then open app stores to sign in again so catalogs refresh. If an app or channel stops working, clear its cache, force stop, or reinstall it. Many region mismatches are resolved that way. Make sure to check any required regional settings for broadcast tuning or smart features. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort after backing up settings, and then repeat the region selection during initial setup to ensure persistence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.